Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. In today's video, we'll be diving into the art of writing a powerful job recommendation letter. Whether you're supporting a colleague, an employee, or a friend, this letter holds immense value for their professional journey. I'll guide you step by step through a well-structured template and break down each section, ensuring that your recommendation stands out. Let's get started. Sender's information. The first step in crafting a professional recommendation letter is providing your details at the top. Include your full name, job title, the name of your company or organization, your address, email, and phone number. Why is this important? Including your details establishes your credibility as a recommender. Your professional role and contact information ensure that the recipient can follow up for further clarification. For example, if you're a manager recommending an employee, your title reinforces your authority and first-hand knowledge of the candidate's abilities. Date. Next, add the date when you're writing the letter. As with most formal letters, this provides a clear reference point for when the recommendation was issued. The date also adds a layer of timeliness, especially for job applications where submission deadlines are crucial. For example, January 29th, 2025. Recipient's information. Below the date include the recipient's information. This includes their full name, job title, company or organization name, and their address. If you're unsure about the exact recipient, addressing the department handling recruitment is a good alternative. Adding the recipient's details personalizes the letter, showing that it's specifically tailored to the candidate's application for the position at hand. Avoid using generic phrases like "to whom it may concern" if you can identify the recipient by name. Subject line. Moving on to the subject line, it's crucial to be concise and direct. Your subject should clearly indicate that this is a recommendation letter. For example, recommendation for candidate's name. This line helps the recipient immediately understand the purpose of your letter, setting the right tone for the content that follows. Salutation. Address the recipient with a professional greeting, such as "Dear recipient's name." If you're uncertain about their name, you can use "Dear hiring manager" or simply "Dear sir, madam." A respectful salutation helps create a positive impression right from the start. Opening paragraph. The opening paragraph is where you introduce yourself and the purpose of the letter. Mention the candidate's name, the position they're applying for, and how you know them. For example, "I am pleased to write this letter to recommend candidate's name for the position of specific position at company name. I have had the privilege of working with candidate's name for duration, such as 2 years at your company, where they demonstrated exceptional specific qualities." This sets the context for the letter and establishes your relationship with the candidate. Make sure your tone conveys genuine enthusiasm and confidence in the individual you're recommending. First body paragraph. The first body paragraph should focus on the candidate's professional experience and achievements. Highlight their key contributions, such as, "During his/her, their time at your company, candidate's name successfully mentions specific accomplishments, such as led a project that increased efficiency by 20%, or mentored new team members. They consistently exceeded expectations, delivering results with precision and dedication." This section is all about providing concrete examples that demonstrate the candidate's value. Be specific and avoid vague statements. For instance, instead of saying they are hardworking, provide evidence of their work ethic, like completing projects ahead of schedule or receiving recognition for their efforts. Second body paragraph. The second body paragraph should highlight the candidate's key traits and soft skills. Here's an example. One of the most remarkable aspects of candidate's name is highlight a key trait, such as their ability to adapt to challenges, their creative problem-solving skills, or their commitment to fostering a positive work environment. They are not only an asset to any team, but also a source of inspiration for colleagues. This part allows you to showcase the candidate's personality and how they interact with others. Whether it's their leadership, communication skills, or ability to handle pressure, these traits can help paint a fuller picture of their capabilities. Third body paragraph. In the third paragraph, emphasize why the candidate is a good fit for the recipient's organization. For example, "I am confident that candidate's name will bring the same level of excellence, determination, and skill to recipient's company." Their expertise in specific area aligns perfectly with the requirements of this role, and their passion for specific interest related to the job will undoubtedly contribute to the success of your team. Linking the candidate's strengths to the specific needs of the recipient's company adds a tailored touch, showing that your recommendation isn't just generic praise, but a thoughtful endorsement for the role in question. Closing paragraph. The closing paragraph is your final opportunity to reinforce your recommendation. Express your confidence in the candidate's abilities and encourage the recipient to reach out if they have further questions. For example, please feel free to contact me at your phone number or your email address if you need further information or would like to discuss candidates' names qualifications in more detail. I am confident that they will be a valuable addition to your team. End with a sincere note of appreciation, thanking the recipient for considering the candidate. Closing and signature. Conclude with a professional closing, such as "sincerely," followed by your full name, job title, and company name. This reinforces your role and credibility as the recommender. And that's it for today's tutorial on writing a standout job recommendation letter. I hope this guide helps you create a letter that makes a lasting impression. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Writing Practices for more practical tips on professional and personal correspondence. Until next time, happy writing.